If you don't read this until the end, you may miss the one natural solution that could transform your circulation before silent symptoms become real health problems. Circulation is one of the most underrated foundations of human health. It's the hidden engine powering every thought, every breath, every step, and every surge of energy you feel throughout the day. Blood carries life, oxygen, nutrients, hormones, immune cells, and delivers them to every corner of your body. When this flow weakens, nothing in you performs as it should. And yet most people only realize their circulation is failing when the signs become impossible to ignore. Heavy legs, swelling, tingling, cold extremities, fatigue, low stamina, and trouble staying energized. But what if there was a natural herb capable of helping restore healthy blood flow, strengthening veins, easing discomfort, and reawakening the body's vitality? One that has been used for generations and is now earning recognition for its scientifically observed benefits. That herb is horse chestnut. This powerful botanical has been part of traditional wellness practices for centuries, especially for supporting veins and enhancing circulation. Hidden inside its seed is essin, a compound known for its ability to support vascular integrity, reduce inflammation, and promote the efficient movement of blood from the lower body back to the heart. Think of your veins as highways. When those highways weaken, bend, or become congested, circulation slows, symptoms appear, and your body struggles to maintain balance. But when the pathways are strengthened, reinforced, and supported, blood flows freely. Tissues get the oxygen they need, energy rises, and you feel lighter and more alive. That's the transforming effect many people experience when they incorporate horse chestnut into their routine. One of the most important reasons this herb stands out is its targeted action. It doesn't simply mask discomfort, it works on the deeper processes that influence vein health. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help reduce swelling, support vessel tone, and protect cells from oxidative stress that weakens circulation over time. People often describe that, after consistent use, their legs feel less heavy, swelling diminishes, and overall stamina improves. But horse chestnut is not just about the legs. Good circulation affects everything: mental clarity, breathing efficiency, immune performance, temperature regulation, skin appearance, and even mood. When oxygen delivery improves, the mind sharpens. When blood moves more freely, energy rises. When tissues receive nourishment consistently, overall vitality improves. Modern life, unfortunately, works against circulation. Hours of sitting, long commutes, constant stress, poor posture, lack of movement, dehydration, and processed foods all contribute to slower blood flow. Many people walk around daily feeling exhausted and blaming age, work, or sleep, when the actual culprit is poor circulation. That is why supporting your vascular system naturally can create such dramatic improvements. Horse chestnut is especially beneficial for people who spend long hours sitting or standing, deal with leg swelling or heaviness, have a family history of vein issues, travel frequently, struggle with low energy or cold extremities, want to maintain healthy vascular function as they age. This herb works like a natural reinforcement system for your veins. Its compounds help veins stay firm and elastic, encourage proper blood return, and reduce the pooling that causes discomfort. As circulation improves, cells receive more oxygen, inflammation decreases, and your entire body begins to feel more awake and supported. Of course, no herb can replace healthy habits, but horse chestnut amplifies what your body is already trying to do: maintain steady, strong circulation. When paired with hydration, regular movement, healthy eating, and breathing practices, it becomes a powerful part of a wellness routine. What makes this herb especially remarkable is how deeply people feel its effects. Better circulation doesn't just reduce symptoms, it changes how you experience your day. Imagine having lighter legs, more energy, better focus, and a greater sense of strength in your body. Imagine walking without discomfort, exercising with more stamina, or simply ending your day without feeling drained. These improvements ripple into confidence, productivity, and emotional well-being. Many people underestimate how much circulation influences mood. When oxygen delivery improves, the brain works better, tasks feel easier, stress feels lighter, you feel more grounded and capable. It's like the body finally gets the resources it has been quietly asking for. This is why supporting blood flow naturally should not be considered optional. It is essential. Poor circulation doesn't resolve on its own. It often progresses slowly and quietly, becoming more noticeable with time. But the earlier you take action, the faster your body responds. Horse chestnut offers a gentle, natural, effective way to give your circulatory system the support it needs without being harsh, synthetic, or overwhelming to the body. It can be taken in capsules, liquid extracts, or topical formulas, making it easy to adapt to any lifestyle. Its benefits accumulate gradually, creating long-lasting results. Imagine starting your morning with energy instead of heaviness. Imagine finishing a long day without swollen feet. Imagine walking freely, thinking clearly, and feeling stronger in your own body. Imagine restoring a flow that fuels your life from the inside out. That's the power of supporting circulation naturally, and that's the promise of this incredible herb. Your body is always communicating. The tingling, heaviness, fatigue, swelling, and coldness are not random. They are signals. And the sooner you respond to them, the faster you experience relief, strength, and renewed vitality. You deserve a body that feels alive. You deserve steady energy, clear thinking, and a feeling of internal balance. You deserve to walk, move, work, and rest without discomfort holding you back. And nature has provided tools to help you get there. Tools like horse chestnut, trusted for centuries and valued today for its transformative potential. Now that you've discovered the herb that can elevate your circulation and energize your life, the next move is yours. Choose the action your future self will thank you for. Endlessly